Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss important updates.
Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video we're going to talk about installing WordPress on your website's cPanel. So guys, this is where you need to log in the first place. You need to log into your cPanel account. So once you've done that, you have to locate the Software apps installer. So in some cases this might also appear by the name of Installatron apps installer, depending on your web hosting service provider. So in case you're using GoDaddy, you might get to see the same thing by the name of Installatron, but we're looking for this Software apps installer. So we click on it once. So guys, using this particular feature you can install various different types of content management systems on your domain. So we'll be installing WordPress, so I'll just hover to the WordPress icon and then click on install. Now this is the main WordPress installation page. So first of all, you need to select which version of WordPress you want to install. So I would suggest you let it remain default, because by default it is set to the latest version. Then we need to select the installation URL. Now in case your website does not have a SSL certificate, then in that case you have to select HTTP, otherwise you need to select HTTPS. Secondly, choose your domain. So depending on your web hosting, whether it's single domain hosting or a multi-domain hosting, you will get to see different options here. Also depends on what all domains you have configured. So in my case it's a multi-domain hosting and I'll be installing WordPress on cricketsuperfans.com. Second step, you need to remove everything from the indirectory section. So we'll get into details of this later on as to why I removed everything from the indirectory section. Now guys, next step is to set up a site name. So here you should just write the name of your website or company or whatever the website is going to be about, and in the site description just mention a tagline for your business. So I'll be writing #1 global community for cricket fans. So how does this site title appear? So when I search for Amazon on Google, I get to see this in the results. So this is basically the site title, and what we get to see just below this, written in black, this is the site description. So it's very essential for you to provide the right information here, otherwise you might end up indexing something undesirable in the Google search results. So we don't want that. So next step, we need to set up the admin username. So the admin username and password will be required to log you into your WordPress dashboard once WordPress has been installed on your website. Next part is to submit the admin email. So my personal suggestion for this department, you should try to enter your Gmail ID or some email ID which you use more often, in case you don't have your webmail ID configured. Everything else remains default, including the advanced options. Let's click on the install button now. So guys, as you can see, I've received this message: congratulations, the software was installed successfully. WordPress has been successfully installed at cricketsuperfans.com. So let's open this URL now, and let's also open the administrative URL which you're going to use to log into WordPress. So you can see the website content is now visible. This is the default WordPress theme, and this is how our WordPress dashboard looks. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be putting up more videos related to WordPress which will help you gain insight on as to how you can build a website and create stunning websites using the WordPress feature. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments if you like this video and what you would want to watch next. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching this video. Comment and let us know which digital marketing tutorial you would like to see next. Also, don't forget to check out different topic-wise playlists on our channel. Do like and subscribe.